Alrighty, we are looking at Computer Science Discoveries, Lesson 9, Bubble 9 of Unit 2, Chapter 1. I just wanted to go super quickly over what the expectation is for the navigation bar and then get you started, at least show you how to make one navigation bar. So looking over here at Bubble 5 instead, they have two examples of what they want it to look like. And here you can see there's the navigation bar up here. You click on homepage, and since we're already on the homepage, it doesn't go anywhere. But when I click on how to juggle, it goes to how to juggle. I go to summer, it goes to summer, and I can click to homepage, it brings me back to home. It might seem kind of weird right now for this, but when we get to CSS, you're going to see why I want to be able to have a full navigation bar that looks kind of nice up here. Even though when you're on the how to juggle page, if you click how to juggle again, it doesn't do anything because we're already there. Okay, so at this point, you should have your 3 web pages made, your index, the second one that you made earlier on in this chapter, and this third one that you just made recently in these past couple of bubbles. What we need to start doing now is linking them together. So right here, I'm at my index page, and to make my navigation bar, I just, at the top of my index page, even above my first big header, I need to start making some links. So I'm going to make a link, a href equals, and I'm going to link it to itself. And then I'll close that. And then I just need to say home, close the link. And now we'll see that we have the navigation bar starting up, right? I have home. Next, I can just go ahead and put the second one. So I'm going to put a href equals, and we'll put the second page. And in mine, I'm just calling it second page, but I'm sure you have a better name for, you know, in your website, which actually has a meaning. And so now, if I click on home, it brings me home, so it doesn't change anything. If I go to the second page, it brings me to the second page. And let's finish up that navigation bar on the index, right? Because now that I clicked on the second page, I can't go back from within the website. I'd have to go over here. But your user's not going to have this over here. They're only going to be on the website. Just like how when we're on this website, like I don't have the thing on the left with all the code. It's just here's the website. Okay, let's finish up. So now I'm just going to make a third page, right? Or a third link. href equals, I'll link it to the third page. What? Whoops. Equals, there we go, third page.html. Close it, call it the third page. And now my navigation bar at the top of this is perfect. All you really got to do is take these 3 lines of code and do them again on your other 2 pages, right? So when I'm here, I can just take these, assuming that they're all working perfectly, and just copy and paste it onto the top of the page here, and it should work okay. And like, let's just check that, right? So here I'm on the second page. When I click second page, it stays there. When I click home, brings me back home. And notice the navigation bar is kind of a constant. It's always there, which is why we like to have it like that. Home keeps me home. Second page brings me to second page. Third page, we get stuck, right? So ultimately, you'd want to add one more set of navigation bar to this third page. But so that is the tutorial for how to get Lesson 9, Bubble 9 done in case you were having any issues with it. Keep working, finish up this project. It's going to look great.